Hi everybody. For your assignment this week, you're going to be creating a rhythm pattern, or we could call it a word chain, using foods that you might like to eat around Thanksgiving time, since we're done with Halloween and Thanksgiving's coming up very soon. So I'm going to show you some examples of foods that you can use, but you can also choose one that I haven't put up here as an example. That's fine too. And you're going to submit yourself performing this word chain as your assignment, either a video or you can just record your voice. That's fine too. And if you'd like, if you don't want to just clap it, you can find something around the house that makes a fun instrument sound, like just using two sticks, or not sticks, these are spoons. And those would work as sticks. So you can be creative and use some things around the house if you don't want to just clap the pattern. So I'm going to show you some examples on my whiteboard here just to give you an idea of what I'm looking for and what I want you to do, okay? So we've got a couple different Thanksgiving foods here, and I have put the food and then next to it is the pattern, or how many sounds it makes when we clap it or say it. Okay, so pumpkin pie is a short, short, long, or a ta-ti-ta. Turkey has two sounds, and that's a long, long, or a ta-ta sound. Stuffing is the same as turkey. It's got two sounds in the word, so it gets two long sounds or two tas. Okay. Cranberries is three sounds. Short, short, long, or ta-ti-ta. Okay, if we keep moving down, hopefully you can see. My next one is mashed potatoes. Okay, so mashed potatoes is four sounds. Short, 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 or ta-ti-ta-ti. Sweet potatoes underneath is the same as mashed potatoes. Sweet potatoes, ta-ti-ta-ti, short, 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 short. Okay, last two down here we've got rolls, and I gave that one sound because rolls gets one long sound, and then we're going to put a rest or a silent beat next to it. Rolls, shh. And then the last one at the bottom is green beans, two sounds here, or a ta-ta, okay? So that's a pretty good list of some Thanksgiving foods that you could use, but like I said, if you have other ones that aren't on the list, you can add those too. So I'm going to show you an example of what I want you to do. And if you're a second grader, because I'm having second and third graders do this lesson this week, if you're a second grader, you can decide to only use two foods to make two patterns, okay? If you're a third grader, I'd like you to try to use four. It's a little more advanced, okay? So second graders, you can pick just two foods. Third graders, I want you to try to do four, okay? So I'll give you an example of two words for second grade, a two pattern word chain, okay? So I'm gonna pick turkey and mashed potatoes. So here's how that pattern would go if you were going to pick those two. Turkey, mashed potatoes. Turkey, mashed potatoes. Or you can just clap it. Turkey, mashed potatoes. Turkey, mashed potatoes. Okay? So that would be an example of a two word chain pattern. Okay? Two different foods. If you're a third grader, I want you to try to do four foods in the word chain, okay? So I'll show it to you again. If you need to pause the video to look at this to help you, okay, you can do that. So you can just kind of study this chart. So for my third graders, let's see. I might pick stuffing, cranberries, pumpkin pie, and turkey. So I'm going to do stuffing, cranberries, pumpkin pie, turkey. Okay, so here's how that pattern would sound. Okay, let's try it. Stuffing, cranberries, pumpkin pie, turkey, stuffing, cranberries, pumpkin pie, turkey. And if you don't want to use spoons or something else, you can just clap it and do the same thing by clapping your pattern. Okay, so that's an example of 4 foods in that word chain or in that pattern. Okay, so second graders try to do 2. Third graders, I want you to try to do 4. Okay, so send me a short video, or if you just want to do a recording of your voice doing the pattern, that's fine too. So that's what I want you to submit for your assignment for this week. Hope you guys are doing well, and I'll talk to you soon.